Sophie had only one apple, just one. She was very hungry, but then she saw someone even hungrier.
I am hungry. This apple is my lunch. Wait, who is that? She looks hungry. Should I share? Yes. I will share. This is for you. Thank you. Thank you. Sharing makes hearts happy.
Sophie! Mom packed extra food. I knew someone might need help today.
I am proud of you.
When we share, kindness grows.
A small apple became a big act of kindness, happiness. If you enjoyed this story, please like, subscribe, and learn English with us.